my friends, and welcome to Art Fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes. And in this video, I'm gonna customize Nike sweatshirt. And actually there's no difference for me between a Nike sweatshirt and any other basic sweatshirt. I don't have logo mania, I have an art fashion mania. But Nike sweatshirts are trendy right now, and I thought it can be a great experience for me to try painting on a famous brand clothing. I know it's not a Gucci or Louis Vuitton like what people customize nowadays, but for a channel of my size, it's a big deal. So I'm gonna try to make creative customization. I want to connect Nike logo and slogan with an interesting idea. And let's see how it will turn out. Let's get started. And here is sweatshirt which I'm gonna paint on, a Nike sweatshirt. But first let me show you my sketchbook. It's very messy. I don't like to spend much time on sketches, I don't like to paint on paper. So I just draw a basic idea and then I just paint it directly on clothes. Also in the same sketchbook I write down the ideas for the videos, and here as you can see someone ate my ideas. Let me show you who did it. Most of these sketches are already painted on clothes. I have videos on my channel, so if you are new here, check them out to see this transformation from sketch to custom clothes. And here is the idea. When I was scrolling through Pinterest feed, I saw this mix of classical art and Nike logo and slogan, and it looks so ironic, And I decided to make something ironic too, and to find some character from art, history or mythology whose image would look ironic on the Nike sweatshirt. And I found such character, Icarus. Who shouldn't have done that? The fall of Icarus. The story of Icarus is from the Greek mythology. It's about father and son who tried to escape from the island, and father made wings for both of them, but said to Icarus, just don't fly too close to the sun. But Icarus didn't listen to him, he was too ambitious, and as a result he burned his wings, fell and died. So painting Icarus on the Nike sweatshirt, I will add irony to this whole idea that you should just do it. And first I'm sketching Icarus on the sweatshirt with a piece of soap, and I decided to paint one of his wings on fire, and this wing on fire will be around the Nike logo. So this way Nike logo will play a role of a burning sun. I know the idea is a bit complicated, but I think it's interesting. And now I'm gonna paint with colors. I'm gonna use colors of fire on the burning side. And on the other side, I'm gonna use purple, blue, maybe a bit brown. But first I'm outlining soap lines with white fabric paint. I think that painting Icarus on the sweatshirt is a great idea, but the problem is that I wasn't sure, should I paint human figure? I'm not so good at it. I'm better at painting animals, portraits, and it's probably the first time I'm painting human figure on the clothes. But I'm always saying that to move forward, to improve your skills, you should risk sometimes. And as you can see, I painted one wing on fire and second wing is one piece, untouched. And face, it's very challenging to paint such a small face for me. I should use such a small brush and make little strokes to create eyes and nose and lips. Yeah, it's very challenging. And I decided to don't paint second hand, which I already outlined with the fabric paint. So how to cover it up, I will show you later. And now I'm taking big flat brush because I'm gonna make my favorite effect, a flying effect or effect of movement. It's when I'm making strokes in the direction of the movement. It's like painting an air. And paint splashes to add expressivity. Well, painting of Icarus is finished, and even though I had doubts, should I paint a human figure or should I better play safe and paint something which I'm good at, like a tiger, lion, dragon, I'm pretty happy with the result and I think I nailed it. And now it's time to add writings. And I wasn't sure about writings too, because if I don't write anything on the sweatshirt, the idea won't be clear. But if I write, for example, Nike slogan, just do it, and then add something, for example, just do it carefully, there is a big chance that this sweatshirt will look like a fake Nike meme sweatshirt. And I don't want it to look like that. I want it to look like a customized Nike sweatshirt. So I decided to don't write slogan, but to write the moral of the Icarus story. Because the moral of the story works great with the slogan, like just do it. But let's write. And I decided to write on the sleeves because sleeves is a perfect place for writing such a long phrase, which I'm gonna write. And first part of the phrase will be on one sleeve and second on another. And first I'm writing with soap to be sure that there will be enough space for all the letters. And now I'm gonna use white color to write the phrase, and the phrase is just don't fly too close to the sun. Of course, if you want to reach something, you should say to yourself, just do it. But you shouldn't do it, without thinking. You shouldn't be too ambitious, too greedy. That is the moral of the Icarus story. Well guys, what can I say? I probably have one of the most unique Nike sweatshirts right now. And I hope you liked this video, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, smash that smash that like button. And if you are new here, subscribe for more painting on clothes videos. And I hope to see you next time. And here is the result.